$2,500, $400, loss, 400, like $4,300, $500, okay, $1,000 loss, $1,500 loss. So this goes on and on and on, okay. These are gamblers. They are not copy traders. I given it a try, okay. I tried my best. I put stop losses. Look, stop loss limit reached null, okay. So I put $15 stop loss when I given them $70. This trader, his if you open this page, he also used high leverage, and if you look at his ROI in 30 days, look at this. See, he made a very good return, but now his balance is minus. It's minus. He wrecked. Welcome to this video, guys. In this video, I'm going to talk about why you should never try copy trading in Binance. If you allow these lead traders to handle your balance, you are going to make a big mistake, because when you open this copy trading page and you see these huge numbers, like this guy made 7.86% return in 7 days, and this guy made 24% in 7 days, this guy made 92% in 7 days, 61% in 7 days. So let's open like who out of these 9 who has most high winning rate, okay. So 92% versus 61%, okay. So look at this. I want you to focus here, okay. Look at this. This says he used high leverage, which means more than 20,000, okay. Sorry, more than 20x. More than 20x means 50x, 40x, 100x, 120x, okay. So because of this huge number, huge leverage, he is able to made 92%, okay. Which when you like example, you have $1,000 portfolio, okay, and you use 10% of your balance, means $100 balance, and you use 50x leverage, and your one trade goes right, your profit curve is going to go parabolic, okay. So you see these numbers and join, you copy his trades, and next day what happens, he use same leverage 50x, and then your position goes down in minutes. Look at this. This is his current position, which is opened 20x, 10x, 20x, okay. For Bitcoin, 20x is like it's I consider little risky, but not so much, okay. But for altcoins, like this look at his profit, $15, $760, okay, 13, 16, 9. This looks small, but if you see his leverage 20x, this is nothing, okay. So the position goes 1-2% up or down, he close, okay. This I don't call it a risk management. Even if you put stop loss, you're going to lose money. And let's check on another trader, high leverage. Once again, this guy, he made 61%, and this one, when we the guy we were talking before, 92%, this one made 61%. So same, high leverage. So he hidden his trades, but we can check his trading history. Numbers looks impressive, but losses looks impressive as well. So example, you copy his trade, your example, you give him like $100. So next day your balance is minus 20%, and then next trade minus 20%, next trade minus 18%, okay. So he made like 4 or 5 wrong trades, and your balance is totally wiped out, okay. So when you see this curve, this profit making curve looks impressive, but same time very risky. But even if he wipe out your balance, if he wipe out your portfolio, he is still going to earn, he's still going to make money. But in the end, he has to only keep 500. Let me take you to my notepad, okay. Notepad, okay. Example, he invested like 500, right? to start copy trading. Okay, but the trade he is going to open, so limit is 500. Okay, but lead trader put 700. Okay, $700. Okay, so he now this guy example, this guy he has $700. So each time he is opening $10 worth of position, right? So he's opening 10, or maybe let's say $10 is small. Let's say he is opening $50 of position. Okay, and then he opened $50, which is 10% of his maybe 7-8%, and then he make 5 consecutive losses. Okay, and your position each time, so let's say it's 8% of his $7. Okay, so I'm not good in math, but just you can calculate. Okay, 8% per trade, okay, then he lost with 50x, he lost like you saw right here 5 losses back to back. This one is huge, and this one is $32,000, and his what he lost this guy lost only 8%. Okay, you also lost 8%, and 8% into, let's say, in 3 times, like 4 times he lost 3 times he lost 8%. So 8 into 3 is like 24%. Okay, 24%, he lost 24% of your balance, $32,000. That's another like 20, like let's say not 60, let's say it's 30% this time. Now you deposited $100, right? But now your portfolio is down overall. How much is it's down? It's like 54% down. So your $100 is officially $46. Okay, so you are more than 46%. Sorry, your balance is less than $50 right now. Okay, when I tried to copy these type of traders with high leverage and huge parabolic charts, what happened? Look at my portfolio. I'm down 50%. I given them like $500, not to one trader, but I given $60-$70 to many traders, and over the time most of them managed to drop my total balance up to like you saw already 50%. $500. This figure that I shown you in my notepad, it happened to me. This is the brutal reality of these copy traders. If you copy these traders, you are surely going to lose your money. They don't lost much money, because when they generate these kind of profits, you end up giving them 10% of your winnings. Okay, he take 10%, so his $700 becomes like $1,000, right? Then when his portfolio recover again, he make money. But if you left your $100 still there, there is no guarantee you will recover. Okay, because you are not earning 10% like these people. Okay, these are the most profitable in 7 days, but you are not going to make same money as them, because they are earning 10% from each winning. Okay, and when they lose 5-6 trade back to back, the drawdown goes over 50%, your balance is drained, and it can never reach 100 again. Like my 500 never came back. I quit. I withdraw whatever I had left. I stopped this rat race. Then I chose to trade myself. I had money to lost before, right? So I given it a try. Okay, I tried my best. I put stop losses. Look, stop loss limit reached null. Okay, so I put $15 stop loss when I given them $70. This trader, his if you open this page, he also used high leverage, and if you look at his ROI in 30 days, Look at this. See, he made a very good return, but now his balance is minus. It's minus. He wrecked. He is wrecked. He lost over. His balance was same like this trader. Okay, before 92%, like 200, 300%. But now what happened? This trader has lost. It's his portfolio is in minus. He lost $66,000. You want this to happen to you? No. So, why it happened? This guy was up 230-40% like 10 days ago. Now he is at minus 29. High leverage. What happened? Lost, man. This looks green, but when I drag it down, okay, look at the big losses. Okay, you don't see it now, but let me scroll it down more. Look, $2,600, and winnings are only $80-90. Okay, and then look at this, $2,500, $400, loss, 400, like $4,300, $500, okay, $1,000 loss, $1,500 loss. So this goes on and on and on. Okay, these are gamblers. They are not copy traders. If you given them your money just by seeing their numbers, you are going to like lost all your balance, guys. Be careful. Be extra careful from traders like this. Okay, don't just see green numbers and jump in. Don't just copy anyone. If you are in a group, let's say you are in a Telegram group, you are in a Discord group, okay, if you want to copy your mentor, you think he's profitable, when you copy him in Binance, use only 1x leverage and use stop loss. Like use stop loss 15% or 10%, whatever you can afford to lose. And even if they trade with a high leverage, you select 1x. So that's the only solution, but still not a guarantee that you can make money. This is very dangerous, guys. Stay away. Grow slow, use 1x leverage, or trade spot. Trade in spot. In fact, why I'm saying this to you, I'm trading since 2014. It's been 12 years. I thought this is new. This is something new. These guys know what they are doing. Maybe they have decades of experience, right? So I give it a shot. Okay, I tried copy trading, so you don't have to, right? I tried, so you don't have to. You look at this video, right? And you decide again what you are putting yourself into, how you are going to use your money. Because if you don't have money, you don't have balance left in your portfolio, you are done for it. You can't make money. You can't make money without money. In trading, you need capital. If you lost your capital because of these guys, you are out of the game. You are out of the game. When market goes good, you are not recovering any of your money that you have lost. So the lesson is, never try copy trading, okay, unless you are using high level risk management. You use 1x leverage, you use stop loss, and still not recommended, guys. Use 1x and trade yourself. You learn yourself. Demo trade first, okay? And then you will never have such thing, okay? Such consequences. So that's it for now. If you find this video valuable, useful, then subscribe and comment how much you lost in copy trading. Comment below, guys. I want to know how much you lost in copy trading, how much leverage you used, and what was your biggest mistake when you faced a huge drawdown, huge losses. What was your biggest mistake? Let the others read your comments and learn from your mistakes. So thank you very much and subscribe.